Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking. First measure 60 grams of white chocolate chips and 70 grams of toffee chunks. I have already shared my 2 ingredients toffee chunk recipe in the channel. You can find the link of the recipe either here or I'll also write it in the description box below. Then in a bowl add 58 grams of butter. I'm using unsalted. Add 40 grams of brown sugar and castor sugar each. Then using a spatula, I'm going to mix the butter and sugar together lightly. Then add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it also in. Then sieve the dry ingredients, 110 grams of all-purpose flour, 15 grams cornflour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Lightly mix with a spatula. Next, add some flour into white chocolate chips and toffee chunks. This will help prevent them from sinking while baking. Add these into your cookie dough and combine. Now add 30 to 40 ml milk and form a dough. Add milk in parts till a loose dough is formed. Do not knead the dough. Please like the video, also subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Now make the cookie dough balls by either weighing each cookie or using an ice cream scoop, or else you can also eyeball them. Take cookie dough and gently form a ball by pressing between your palm and rolling them. Once done, refrigerate the cookie dough ball, then bake these in a preheated oven at 180 C for 11 to 14 minutes. While baking these bakery style cookies, it is very important that you chill your cookie dough. It will help prevent your cookies from spreading too much while baking. Also, it will help developing more flavor to your cookies. So please chill your cookies. Do not ever skip this step. If you cannot do that for 24 hours, then please at least for 2 hours chill your cookies. And if you can do it for more than 24 hours, then that is good. Maximum I will suggest it for 36 hours to 72 hours, but 24 hours also works good. You can also freeze your unbaked cookie dough ball. Just wrap them in a cling film or put it in an airtight container and store it in your freezer for up to 3 months. Whenever you want to bake your cookies, just take them out, bake them. It might take a minute, 2 or more, since you are directly baking it from a freezer, but you can always have cookies handy in your hand. Cool them completely before serving and storing them. Let us break one cookie and see the texture from inside. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.